Most YouTubers make you wait until the end for the hack, but I'll tell you right now, this $70 meal at a luxury restaurant was completely free, thanks to the AmEx Platinum $100 Resy dining credit. And the best part? You can do this too. Whether you use Amex, Chase, Capital One, Citi, or Built, these cards all come with perks that can cover meals and travel. Stick with me, because I've got 3 hacks in this video, one now, one in the middle, and the biggest one at the end. Welcome to JetSet Sibs, luxury for less. I'm Micah, and along with my sister Veronica, we show you how to travel in style while spending less. Subscribe now so you never miss our twice-weekly travel hacks that make luxury affordable. So here's how it worked. AmEx Platinum gives you a $100 Resy dining credit every quarter. We used ours at Whale Newport Beach on Taco Tuesday. We had 5 tacos, a huge platter of nachos, and a margarita. Total came to just over $70. And with the Resy credit, paid in full, free of charge. Here's your second hack. Don't let credits expire. If you don't use your $100 dining credit before the quarter ends, it disappears. That's like leaving money on the table. We still had $30 left after this meal, so we've already booked our next dinner before the deadline. And it doesn't stop at dining. AmEx Platinum perks can be worth over $3,600 a year. First-class flights, hotel upgrades, exclusive airport lounges. Yes, the fee is high at $895. But if you use the perks, the value massively outweighs the cost. And here's the final hack. Don't just sign up for AmEx Platinum. Stack the benefits. Use the dining credit every quarter, book hotels through Fine Hotels Plus Resorts, and combine your points with transfer bonuses. That's how you make the card pay for itself over and over again. So that's how we turned a $70 meal into a free dinner using AmEx Platinum. Now I want to hear from you. Would you use your $100 credit for casual meals or save it for a Michelin-star restaurant? Drop your answer in the comments. I'll be replying to as many as I can. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.